Κόκκινα φεγγάρια, Motorcycle Rock Show.
So ladies and gentlemen, what we got here? We got a SH Mode 125 of 2022. Is it a good bike? For sure it's a good bike. The point is if this bike is good enough for the money that you pay, because it's a bit of expensive, because with those money you can buy something that it's let's say more motorcycle. What about this bike anyway? What we got? We got a brand new engine, new technology, 125 cubics that give us 12.3 horses at 8,250 RPM. It's only 133.9 kilos with all the liquids on it, so that means that this is a light scooter anyway. It's got 7 liters tank and needs only 2 liters per 100 kilometers about. The performance is good enough for 125 cubics. It's going something like 100 kilometers, 105 kilometers, something like that. It's got a good ABS because the brakes in this motorcycle are really good for the category always. And what about it? We have a good brakes, we have a good engine, good enough for the category always. It's cornering nice. We got a lot of space because we got here place to put many things. We got hook for the bags from the supermarket. We got a bit of space, but good enough for one jet helmet or a small full face down of the seat. And we got those handles. We got steppers for the second rider that it's like this. And how I feel then I am going up. I have enough space for my foot, my leg. I am not protected of course, but you can put an extra windscreen here. I have a good view back from the mirrors. It's a keyless of course, it's a keyless, don't forget, so I don't need to have a key with me, it's on my pocket. I have a clock that is nothing more than count the kilometers, the total kilometers and fuel counter and fuel bliblikia. And we have an engine that is a start-stop, so that means that if I am stopping in the red light and I'm waiting, the engine stops, and then I'm going like this, the engine starts automatically and I'm going. Also, the radiator of the engine, the cooler, is not front, it's here. So it's well protected. And what about two person in this small motorcycle scooter, the moped anyway? Georgia, we have I don't know, we have winds for a stepper. How is the wind stepper, Georgia?
They are fantastic, but I think they're going like ding ding ding.
Din 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 din, χιόνια στο καμπαναριό.
Okay.
Okay, okay. So,
The steppers are okay. My feet are okay. I'm in a good position. I got nice handles here. It's a little hard.
and you feel comfortable because you are with me anyway, Georgia. That's it. This is all, ladies and gentlemen. This is all. Keyless. The bike is keyless. I put it on my pocket and I am ready to start. I feel comfortable. I have a good view back and let's go. The sound, it's okay. We are going. We change direction. We do it very easy. Down bike. Let's brake now. Ooh, the brakes are very good. And the performance? The performance is 125 cubics. Brakes. We got a disc brake front and we got a drum back. We got something like a combi system, CBS, but it's functional like ABS. It's a strange system that if you will ask me to explain to you how is this thing is working, I cannot explain you. But I can tell you for sure that when you ride this bike is not possible to block the wheel and the braking is perfect. Doesn't matter if we got a drum back and a disc front. It's perfect. Quality, what we got here? The material of the seat is nice. The black plastics are so soft that you think that it's not possible to break them. It's not possible. Those are also soft. And here you see I move all the bike from that and it's not broken. It's very good. The quality is good. It's the paint is gray and in some situations like here it's got some pearl on it and they are fit excellent. We got LED lights everywhere and I consider this bike as an excellent made motorcycle. Of course back we got a single arm by the one hand, but by the other we got this drum, but I don't consider the drum as a problem. Who says that the brakes are not good if they are drum, especially for a bike with these needs? So, excellent made motorcycle. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, what about the scooter? The performance is good enough for the category. The brakes are excellent for the category. I have a space for two persons. I have a space to put some things in there. I have a hook that is important. I have a simple clock and it's very economical motorcycle. The point is that with 125 cubics I can move only inside the city, not even a bit outside of the city. The performance is not good enough. So if you want a trustful, economical motorcycle scooter for inside the town, for carrying one person or two, yourself or you and your wife, you and your child, you and your girlfriend, I don't know what, or you and your boyfriend, this is good, but just for inside the city, not even a bit outside of the city. So, Georgia, I have to tell you that Georgia likes a lot this scooter. So Georgia, I'm not going to ask you if you like the scooter because I know that you like it, but tell us why you like it.
I like it because it's light and I feel good riding it. It has a nice position and doesn't give me any troubles about anything. I like it. You can put your monkey also or your dog here.
Your monkey and your dog.
Yeah.
Very important
Yes,
information.
yes.
So you can carry your pet. I have a parrot and I put it here anyway.
Yeah.
So I don't have a problem.
Heavy.
So ladies and gentlemen, this is a lovely scooter from Honda. And this is Ioannis and Georgia for Kokina Fegarya Motorcycle Rock Show. Thanks for watching us.
Okay then. Τι ωραία μπλούζα. Φεύγω. Γεια σας.
Περνάει το αεροπλάνο ρε Γεωργία, κοίτα το. Από τα Ακροτήρι στο Καλαθά μια ζωή κάνει. Και το μεταξύ Ryanair, αυτοί μπορεί να πηγαίνουν και στην Αμερική. Πόση ώρα θα κάνουν να πάνε αφού Ακροτήρι δεν τελειώνει ποτέ, κάνει και στροφή.